For solar-assisted air conditioning, same of that, hindi po kumpletong solar system to. You know, for engineers, you may know that the compressor is there to compress the refrigerant such that it will be superheated, and it will then be going to the expansion valves for cooling. We are now inserting the solar collector to take care of the superheating of the refrigerant. As such, you will be saving 40 to 50% energy. Now, for the smaller compressor, this can now be powered by solar power, photovoltaics. Ito po yung ibang, these are the other solar thermal applications we are doing in countryside. Well, when I was requested to talk about solar drying once, sabi ko, in the Philippines, we have maybe the largest solar dryers. Kasi sa Isabela, kilometers and kilometers of solar dryers dito. Unfortunately, nadadaanan pa ng tricycle at saka yung mga kulig-kulig. With energy, it is the transformation of the rotational mechanical energy into either mechanical power or electrical power. Ito po yung mga microwave systems natin. I took off the big ones because I would like to talk about micro applications. Sa ngayon po, meron po tayong napakalaking system sa Bangi Bay, at least 33 megawatts by the North Wind. But we are doing, and we're using now 200 watts for several microwave applications. Makita niyo, even the Rotarians here would be very glad to use them as creative logos. So you can put together, this is a 200 watt wind turbine, you can put them together up to maybe 5 kilowatts. Then we can go with the more sustainable, bigger models. Hydro technology naman is again mechanical energy into mechanical power and electrical power. This is a typical hydro plant. We have the reservoir, the penstock, the turbine, the generator, and the transmission lines. This is how we categorize now. Dati-dati po, hanggang dito po lang yung categorization ng gobyerno natin. We baptized the smaller ones and we call them pico hydro. Wala pong, nung araw, wala pong pico hydro. So, I'll show you the pico hydro. I wish I could have shown you here, no? The pico hydro. Something that you yourself can even, sabihin na natin, kaya niyong buhatin. I was even talking with the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers and even the electrical engineers. Bumili kayo nito, it costs so much only, and it will add to your biodata that you are a power plant operator. This is the low head. No? This does not need so much strong power. It works on the principle of a suction, negative pressure. The column of water here is so calculated that the drop of that water sucks the turbine, the propeller, down. So you don't really need strong water. Even just a draining of your swimming pool can run this hydro. We do have also the typical one, which is the high head. You need only a 3-inch pipe. Pwede mong hose yan. And you need about 6 to 11 meters for the 200 watts and up to 13 meters for the 500 watts. We're talking here in watts, not in kilowatts or megawatts. Kaya nga micro applications. We can also talk with you on megawatt applications. Please don't think that renewable energy is only for small ones. We can talk to you on big ones also. Ito po yung equipment. This is the high head. And we have the low head, 200, 500, and 1,000. Ang kailangan ng water head is kasing tangkat ko lang po, 1.5 meters. Kaya nga po meron kayong irrigation canal, meron kayong drainage canal for the industrial parks. We are now using yung kanilang water treatment effluent. Bago nila ibagsak sa ilog, pinadadaan muna sa peak hydro. And they use the energy to power yung perimeter lighting nila. These are the components. How to select this site, you know? If you have seen, sa Laguna kasi napakadami nitong rock formations, you can just put it across. O sa Ilocos naman, ginagawa nila yung isang sapang maliit, they put sandbags across the creek. And then as you attain maybe 1.7 to 2 meters, you can put several of them one after the other. Okay. Ang problema nito is when it rains, nawawas out po ito. So, sabi namin sa mga kliyente namin, tanggalin natin kung mga July o August lang. Sabi ng mga misis, hindi pwede. Kasi hindi kami makakapanood ng TV. Hindi bale, araw-araw namin ilagay yung sandbag, basta tuloy-tuloy lang kami mag-TV. So, the best way is to divert. You know, you can divert the water resource, you can divert the whole of it, or just part of it, as needed by you. Okay. Depende mo yun. You can put as many peak hydro generators also as needed. Ito yung installation, napakadali po. Maintenance, you have only to lubricate the bearings. Yun lang pong problema nito, the bearings. You must take care of the bearings. Ito lang po yung wear and tear, subjected to wear and tear. The rotors are not subjected to wear and tear. So, back peak hydro, we have a lot of small water resources which are not being utilized because they are deemed inadequate for micro hydro applications. Such resources are sufficient for peak hydro applications. And peak hydro can even, support existing or planned micro hydro installations. It can be upstream, yung mga tributaries na maliliit, or even downstream yung kanilang tailwater. There is a variety of peak hydro. I will show that to you later. Kasi marami na pong tumitingin ng peak hydro because of resorts. If you put several of this in your resorts, for example, you can now use e-vehicles, electric bikes, because you will now have several places wherein you can charge your electric bike in your resort. So this can be used also for rural applications. You can charge electric lanterns, solar lanterns, you can charge hand tools, you can charge a lot of other things. Pag lang credit card charge. Peak hydro modularity is adaptable to the fluctuations. Ito po yung tsura ng this is how it is, I call modularity. Across that, you can put as many as it can be. Pag lumito yung tubig, you can close one after the other. Never have we had a municipality na nag-burn out because of modularity. Okay? And we are now changing the mindset of our indigenous people about hydro. Dati-dati, kung pumunta kayo sa mountain cabins or in the Cordilleras, pag sinabi niyo yung hydro, mabuti pa tumakbo na kayo. Because hydro means for them flooding of their fertile valleys. Kaya galit na galit sa hydro. Now, they are our potential clients. Sabi nila, if only we have had peak hydro in the beginning, you could have softened the hearts of our ancestors. Hindi na sana namatay yung si Macling ang araw in protest to the Magat Dam. These are the advantages of hydro. Whenever it is, globally, it is the cheapest area resource. It is also environmentally benign. For our peak hydro, it's very easy to install and commission. I bet you can commission your peak hydro in 5 minutes. Pag nandiyan yung structure, ilalagay lang nyo yung turbine generator, and you have it running. Simple and easy maintenance, I said already, duplicate the bearings every 2 months. Wala na pong ibang gagawin. Well, we have to clean kailangan walang nahuhulog na mga obstructions like leaves, etc. dun sa